So let's make it even more fun. Because on that note that we passed in class in junior high, it wasn't just, do you like me? It was, do you like me, yes or no? And we do something, whether the answer is yes or no, we still do something, whether it's pretending to be sick the next day or, you know, checking them out at recess, I guess. So that's where else comes in. And else allows us to do something like this. And you can see the structure. We have the original if, right, which we're now familiar with. If an expression that comes out to true or false and a colon. Beneath that, indented, one tab space. By the way, just to keep in your head, you can use spaces to indent if you want. I highly recommend that you use a tab because everything here must be indented the same. And if you use, let's say, 4 spaces, space, 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 every time, then what's going to happen down here is you're probably going to accidentally do 3 or 5 spaces. At some point, you'll do that. And it's going to yell at you. And you'll be like, well, they look the same because you can't really see the difference between 3 and 4 spaces or 4 and 5 spaces sometimes. It's just visually, you have to look really carefully to see whether it lines up or not. A tab is quite a bit of space. So if I hit 2 tabs, this is going to be way over here. I can easily see that it's not aligned. So always use tabs for indentation if you're indenting, okay? Now, all this means is if this is true, do this. Otherwise, do that. So this could be literally any other value, and it's going to say no. Only if this is true will it do this. Okay, so if in this scenario, if I can't retire, I would say print you only can retire if you have worked 20 and are 50 plus or 55 plus. Okay, so that would be those would be the messages. And so in this case, if I run that, obviously it says you can retire. If I'm 49 and I've only worked 14 years, then it gives me the other message. Okay, so this allows me to do this. So if and else always go together. You cannot have an else without an if. Okay? You can have an if by itself with no else. You could just say if, meaning either it prints this or it does nothing. If you have an if or an else, it's either it prints this or it prints that. Okay? So that's how those work together.